Alright, how you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel once again. Hold it. Alright, so this is hold on a second. This is a 2009 Hyundai Sonata, and we're about to change the inner and outer door handles. They bust on this car. It's a common problem. So here's the part numbers. And my client got this from carparts.com. There goes the part number, okay? And we'll show you how to open it from the outside, because we can't open the outside or the inside.
So this wire right here, this metal thing right here, you're gonna pull on it, and it's gonna pull this up. So
there you go. That's how you open it. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and do the inside. I'm gonna do two separate videos because my phone sometimes be acting up. So I forgot to bring my camera today. I forgot that she was coming today to change the door handles. I think we're gonna do the outside first. Well, both of them at the same time. We'll see what happens. Okay, to remove the door panel, you gotta remove this one, this one, this one, this one right here. There's a cap. There's a Phillips screwdriver behind it, and another one right here. Same thing. All right, go ahead, though. No, I think this one is from here, from it's like a little circle. Yeah. There you go. Same thing with the top one. I want to send a shout out to my boy Chris MacArthur. What's happening, homie? To the whole Turner squad that been following the channel since day one. I appreciate you guys. Finally hit 1,000 subscribers and still growing. I forgot, guys, this is the three tools you're gonna use. Straight picker, flathead, and a Phillips screwdriver.
Man, that shit hurts the fuck up.
The second one's right there. Remove that one, and then the door panel should be able to come out. So that one, you just pull it, put the flathead screwdriver here, and then it'll come out. Okay. There you go. Let me show you. So you have to pull this. It has a little clip right here. Just pull towards you, and it'll come out. And then that one, you put the screwdriver in here, and it'll pop it out. Towards you. Pull it towards you. Pull both hands. To take the broken handle, that Phillips screw in the bottom. Okay, so to put this one on, right, you gotta go inside here. Where's that little rubber piece? There's a rubber piece in here. There's a rubber piece in here. You take it out, right? You pop it out, and there's a screw in there. It's a Phillips screw,
no.
Or no? It's a what size it is? Let me show you guys what size it is. Hold on. So here it is. It's size T25. Okay. So we made a mistake. You don't have to take the screws out of it. So put them back on. So here you go. Let me show them. So here's an outside door handle. You see how it got two hooks in here, one here and one there. So that's how you're gonna put it on.
You put it down on that, and then you
slide it. Boom.
And then you do this. Put the part with the screw this way. There.
All right. And then you put the screw back on there.
It's fresh plastic.
And you also need a magnet. Sometimes you can't get the screw out, so the magnet will help you. Okay? So put all the screws back on. Let's just show you that we're just doing it ourselves. We didn't look at another video or nothing. We're just going as we rolling through the problem. Alright? So if you make mistakes like we do, don't be scared, you know. That's how you learn from it. You know, this is a customer's car. We don't own this vehicle. But if you have any more questions, you can let us know in the comments down below. And if we know how to help you, we'll answer them right away. Here, put it on for me. So, to take the door handle, the inside door handle, you gotta take this, just unplug it.
So, this is already out from where it's supposed to be.
Because it's broken.
So you just pull up on it, like pull up. And this one you do the same thing, and you just pull this over, and you just pull it out, right there.
And now you put the new one.
Now all you do is do the reverse of what you just did. Take it, put it in there, lay it down, and push it down. Same thing with this one. Take it, put it in there, lay it down, and push it down. Now, then check to make sure they all work. So this one moves, and then this one go back and forth. That's it, folks. Then you put it in, and you pull forward.
And then put the screw in the
Then
bottom.
you put the little screw back in.
I told you not to take that out.
Man, I ain't even gonna answer you.
I didn't get your ugly face put in the ugly face. And boom! Now we're gonna put the door panel back together.
All these strings back.
So you put it back on the same way you took it out. All right. You guys have made it to the end of the video, end of the vlog, whatever you want to call it. We are definitely done. Putting it back now. I know you guys been liking the DIY content because a lot of you always search for this kind of videos. So we're gonna put more and more as we go. So all we do ask you though is just to subscribe and support the channel, you know what I'm saying? Because the more you help us, the more we can help other people. It has clips on the bottom. Gotta line them up. So all you do now is just put all the screws back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you're basically done. So you guys have made it to the end. Hopefully you liked this video. This video was useful for you so you can fix your car, door handles, in and out. So there you have it. We'll see you on the next one, okay? Mass shout outs to the Tuner Squad like always. Peace.